Na Rympei U Hynñiewtrep paidbah Bri U Hynñiewtrep.
Wemeli ka Mawsynram constituency uba olan sing sun uladawa ya ka sarkar mendaka singi bat Pynpaw ya ka taka jingtrang jong u ban kentiu no ya ka Mawsynram sya ka CNRD block bar ula krenru syapang ka jingbon ki Bri U bat ka jingbon ki Shinong hakani ka than bat ru ka jaka ka bahe baha bat ula krenru ba kum karani kor civil subdivision bat ka penusla civil subdivision ki bakham duna ki Bri U bat ki Shinong ki layo ya ka taka civil subdivision nrai kat ka Mawsynram kabala bon shu ki Shinong ki thau bat ka jingbon Bri U hakani ka than nrai kampat yo tang ya ka taka civil subdivision na ka taka daw uba holan sing sun UMLA jang ka Mawsynram ula karpat ya ka sarkar baka dai ban pej benia ya kani ka kam ban ai no ya ka Mawsynram da ka civil subdivision namar kala syong nong rimpalan namar kat ka pen usla bat karani kor ki bakham tuna ki Bri U bat ki Shinong ki layo ya ka civil subdivision nrai ka Mawsynram pat kampat yo haduk menta bat Halor kani nakaliang ba preston dan song ula juba ba baroh badan bon ba ki badawa ya ka civil subdivision na ki wiki thanyu ki bladai ban yo civil subdivision nrai ka sarkar kandang yai pej bat ya ka Mawsynram ro ula ong ba ngin yai pej bat bot renti ya kani ka kam kanang batla ban ai civil subdivision no ya ka Mawsynram bat Halor kani nakaliang uba olan sing sun ula juba ba ka ba ong kumni ba nga day UMLA jong kathan Mawsynram constituency bat nga day ka voice of the people bat ulaong badai tang mga bala ban pensngo ya kani kasur bala kata kapor baroh ki Bri U badan hapo kani ka assembly ki rakri namar bauong bau day ka voice of the people jong ka Mawsynram.
May I make one or two sentence statements, sir? You see, Mawsynram senior block is a multi-community inhabitants, speaking different language, having different faith and religions. And even though we coexist as brothers and sisters in such a diversity of culture, belief, and so on. So it is we are living in unity, though in diversity. Second, sir, as we know, Mawsynram, within Mawsynram block itself, we have the altitude of 550 meters up to 1,700 meters. In between this altitude, we have three climatic regions: the temperate region, the subtropical region, and the tropical regions bordering Bangladesh. Population are living in temperate region, living in plateau, living in difficult terrain, living in low flat areas, in border areas. They are facing very much difficulty. The distance from the headquarters is more than 100 kilometers up to the extreme border. We have also the population size bigger than Ranikor civil solution, bigger than Penusla civil solution. We have also the village, higher number of village than Ranikor civil solution, than Penusla civil solution. Except the size of the area, Ranikor is higher than us. The rest, all the tabis, we are in higher than those civil solution. So, sir, and besides our people or villages situated in the difficult terrain, it's very difficult for the digital system of governments to reach to our people. It is only the civil subdivision that can bring closer administration to our people. So if these facts and data, sir, to buttress support of my statement, if the department required, yes, I can support any time. So based on this statement, sir, may I know from the minister in charge to pass a remark comment and give a statement whether these data are fit to grant civil solution for Mawsynram senior block, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, yes, the concern of the Honorable MLA from Mawsynram, Sun, and the justification he placed before the Advice House, it's so convincing, no doubt of it, sir. Very, very convincing. Yes, sir, in fact, as I've already replied, matter is under examination. We know not only Mawsynram alone, we do have quite a number of more places which needs the administration going down closer to the people. So, sir, let me again reiterate that the proposal for creation of Mawsynram civil subdivision is being examined in detail by the government, and once the process is completed, once the examination is done, then I'll be in the position to tell the honourable members and also the people of Mawsynram area as a whole.
So thank you, sir. I have nothing to say but only to request the ruling dispensation to kindly consider our lots, because I'm the voice of the people of my constituency. So when I speak, I'm speaking on their behalf. I'm their voice. So I request the ruling dispensation to kindly be pathetic to grant us a civil solution, because it is all the data are fit to be granted Mawsynram Sinadi block as a civil solution. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yes, but Charles.
Emily jong kanong thmai constituency ro na ka party TMC uba Charles Pengro ula kren hapo kaying dorbar bat penaki ya baroh ki badan hapo kaying dorbar da ka baong ngaru kum uway na ki voice of the people jong ka jelam mekalaya ngakwa ban Pynpaw ba ka Sohra kala day ban yo no ya kata ka district headquarter namar dala ban wanra ka district headquarter sa Sohra kan wanra ya kata ka roy ka par sya kata ka than bat kala ro ban yarap khamtam ya ka Mawsynram bat ikiwi kitan ki badan sya kata ka liang bar ula keliru ba hatu ka sarkar kala dan jingmut ne em banra ya ka Sohra ban penlong no ya ka kum ka district headquarter bar Halor kani uba president song ula juba bahwa ka sarkar kala pej benia ya kani but bon ba ki district ki CNRD block but kita ki civil subdivision ro ka sarkar ka yai pej but kan yai pej ya kani ka kam but ban wanra ya kata ka jingdan kam ya ki paidbah habaroh ka jella.
Please. So I also, as a voice of the people of the state, I had put this question before in the last session also, if I recollect. My recollection is me. East Khasi Hills is one of the biggest districts in the entire state. And I don't have any data, but I know it is the biggest. Will the government consider creating another district within the East Khasi Hills, as the Honourable Deputy Chief Minister has rightly said, to bring governance close to the people, in Sohra, and upgrading it into a district headquarters? This question was raised by me before. Will the government consider that now, since they're taking up the matter of Mawsynram also?
Mr. Speaker, sir, yes, sir, as I've already replied again, be it creation of Sinadi block, be it creation of civil subdivision, or even district, government is always thinking of the main intention of the government is to bring down the administration, the government, towards the nearest location of the people. That is our intention. So yes, as already mentioned by the honourable member, by Charles Pengro, we are examining both, not only civil subdivision, but district as well as creation of CNRD blocks.